Good day, my name is Ivan Gomez. Today I'm gonna explain about didactic method and pedagogy. What are they for? What are they looking for? Let's start with pedagogy. Pedagogy is a resource that show how implement strategies to teach something. We also need to understand that pedagogy help us to create strategies to be closer with our student in different ways, social and also intellectual. They also help us to understand what the student needs inside the classroom and also outside the classroom. Outside, I'm sorry. Didactic. First of all, we need to say that didactic is a discipline that is belong to the pedagogy. And it's a discipline that studies the relationship between the teaching and the learning process. Didactics looks for the necessary tools to be able to transmit the knowledge inside the classroom, but it also help us to transmit the knowledge in a natural way. We also have the teaching method. We use different teaching methods in our classroom. But first of all, we need to know what teaching methods refers, and it refers to how we manage our class, how we manage our students. We have different teaching methods, but we can use one or we can mix it between in order to reach our goal, that is transmit our knowledge. On this part, I try to show three of the most important that I think uh, are the teaching methods. First of all, the lecture one. The second is the demonstrative one, and the third one, it's collaborative methods. Those are that I think that is the most used and important. First of all, we have the lecture method that says that the student have a passive role, which can make the learning difficult, but also is good because the teacher can provide unpublished information, unavailable information inside the classroom. The second one is the demonstrative method. This method makes the knowledge and the doing. That means that the student learn doing the things or through experimentation. This method allows the student interact on a personal way with the information. That means that they need to investigate the information and they also need to know how to mix that information. One of the advantages of using this method allows includes a different material to make the learning process more interesting. That means that we can use uh, more tools to reach our goal. And the last one is collaborative method. This method allows the student participate actively and in the learning process. This method is used to project and discuss to reach the knowledge. That means that we have a universal topic. We try to get information about the topic because all the students know something about a specific topics. And we as a teacher guide the student through the process to get uh, or to change that universal into a micro or unique knowledge. We can conclude after having or read the material proposed in this unit, we can conclude that the following, that the pedagogy is a resource that helps to implement a strategy to teach a subject. We can also say that it's helping to understand the different needs that our students have outside the classroom. That in order to fulfill the purpose of teaching, we really on didactics as a science and the method. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, my name is Ivan Gomez.